Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia Pro I. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match and enable Hey Google. Now we can go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 62 and a low of 44.
If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.